Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Biography of Athletes.
Today I will back with West Indies cricketer Andre Russell lifestyle, biography and more things in this video. I hope you will like this video. Andre Dwayne Russell is a Jamaican professional cricketer and plays internationally for the West Indies and for Jamaica in West Indian domestic cricket as an all-rounder. He has played in more than 300 T20 matches for a range of sides in leagues throughout the world. If you love this video to the end, then don't forget subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Andre Russell biography. Real name, Andre Dwayne Russell. Nickname, Dre Russ, Russell Muscle. Occupation, cricketer. Ethnicity, black, he is of Jamaican descent. Zodiac signs, Taurus. Date of birth, April 29, 1988, age 32 years. Place of birth, Kingston, Jamaica. Nationality, Jamaican. Religion, Christianity. Net worth, according to the networthexpress.com, the Andre Russell net worth is $65 million. Andre Russell professional debut. Test 15 November 2010 vs Sri Lanka in Gal. ODI 11 March 2011 vs Ireland in Mohali. T20 21 April 2011 vs Pakistan in St. Lucia. IPL debut Deccan Chargers at Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, May 10, 2012. Andre Russell cricketer career. Batting style, right-handed bat. Bowling style, right arm fast. Playing role, bowling all-rounder. Shirt No. 12, ODI, T20I, IPL, BBL, CPL. Favorite shot, pull shot. Nature on field, very aggressive. Likes to play against Australia. Current teams, Kolkata Knight Riders, Jamaica Talawas, Rajshahi Royals, Multan Sultans and Sylhet Thunder. Records, main ones, on 21 September 2013, in a T20 match against India A, he took 4 wickets in 4 successive deliveries. In these 4 deliveries, he took the wickets of Kedar Jadhav, Yuvraj Singh, Naman Ajha and Yusuf Pathan. He scored 185 runs at a strike rate of 186 and took 16 wickets in the 2015-16 Big Bash League (BBL) and helped Sydney Thunder to win the title. At the 2018 Caribbean Premier League against Trinbago Knight Riders, he scored a century off 40 balls, hitting 6 fours and 13 sixes. He also took a hat-trick in the same match. Thus he became the second player after Joe Denley to score a century and take a hat-trick in the same match. Controversies. On 31 January 2017, he was banned for 1 year from cricket when he committed an anti-doping whereabouts violation. Once he said about his domestic T20 league's priorities that playing just for the West Indies wouldn't be enough to meet his expenses. Andre Russell family details. Father, Michael Russell. Mother, Sandra Davis, teacher. Siblings, he has 3 younger siblings. Andre Russell favorite things. Cricketer Chris Gale. Actor, Jamie Foxx. Sports, soccer, cricket. Soccer position, goalkeeper. Soccer club, Manchester United. Andre Russell girlfriend name, Jassim Laura. Andre got married to his longtime girlfriend and American model Jassim Laura in 2016. They have a daughter named Aaliyah Russell, B20. Andre Russell physical stats. Body tips, athletic. Height, 6 feet 1 in or 185.5 centimeters. Weight, 80 kilograms or 176.5 pounds. Body measurements, chest, 42 inches, waist, 32 inches, biceps, 15 inches. Eye color, dark brown. Hair color, black. Distinctive features. Mohawk hairstyle which is often dyed blonde, affable smile. Andre Russell unknown facts. He first made a splash in domestic cricket in 2010 when he was playing for Bernard's Green Cricket Club in Worcestershire, England. His stellar all-round show that season helped his club earn a promotion from Worcestershire Cricket League to Birmingham League Cricket. Andre made his international debut for the West Indies in the Test match format in November 2010. However, as of January 2020, he had not played any other Test match. All his subsequent games for the West Indies thereafter came in the T20I and ODI formats as he became a white ball, limited overs, specialist after playing his last first-class game, domestic cricket's equivalent of a Test match, in 2014. In September 2013, in a match against a representative India A team, he became the first bowler to take 4 wickets from consecutive deliveries in November 2014. He released 2 singles under the name Dre Russes, one of which was in collaboration with famed Jamaican singer Beenie Man. For his sparkling performances in the 2016 World T20, which he won for the second time with the West Indies. He was named in the team of the tournament by the ICC, ESPN Cricinfo, as well as CricBiz. He was also named in the T20's Eye of the Year by ESPN Cricinfo in both 2016 and 2018. In a 2018 CPL, Caribbean Premier League, game, he scored 100 in just 40 balls, breaking his record of a 42-ball 100 that he had set in the 2016 season of the CPL. He then went on to take a hat-trick in the same match. This made him only the second player in T20 history to achieve the rare feat of scoring 100 and taking a hat-trick in the same game. During a 2019 World Cup League game against Australia, he became the then quickest batsman, in terms of balls faced, 767, to reach the milestone of 1,000 runs in the ODI. He smashed 52 sixes in the 2019 season of IPL, which was only the third time a player had managed to hit more than 50 sixes in a single season of the tournament. It was also, till then, the second highest number of sixes in a single season of IPL, which was only behind Chris Gayle's record haul of 59 sixes in the 2012 season. While he was enjoying the most fruitful spell of his cricketing career in the mid-2010s, Andre was charged by the JADCO, Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, for violating its whereabouts clause thrice in 2015, an offense that was the equivalent of one failed dope test. After lengthy hearings, he was banned from active cricket for 1 year by an independent panel in Jamaica. His ban lasted from January 31, 2017 to January 30, 2018. Andre Russell House Address. Andre Russell lives in a luxurious house which is located in Kingston, Jamaica.